Jamaica here with Tennis Jamaica President John. A very exciting day for tennis, for you to be celebrating with the lights. Talk a bit about the process heading into this and your thoughts on having this being a fruition.
Well, it's been amazing. Being down here tonight is a very proud moment for the Tennis Jamaica team. Seeing everybody here enjoying under the lights, we turn with Christmas on the court. It's been a lovely atmosphere. Everybody's having a great time. The process has been a long one in the making. I'd like to give special credit to our Honorary Secretary, Mr. Joseph Dibbs. He's not here tonight, but it's been something that he took. He's run with it with a team. He's worked very hard over the last couple of weeks, and what we're witnessing tonight is the fruition of those efforts. So a very proud moment for us here at Tennis Jamaica, and just looking around, this is a little bit overwhelming. Very, very proud.
Okay, and what will this allow you to do in the future, having lights here at the National Tennis?
I think that it just opens up such a wide scope, in terms of tennis events here at the National Tennis Centre. You're looking at team tennis on the weekends. You're looking at when we're hosting events on weekends, like junior tournaments. Normally, when light stops play, you're unable to finish. Not just having lights here, but having world-class lights here at National Tennis Centre is certainly a game changer for us, and we look forward to bigger and better things. 2022 has been a great year. All things being equal, 2023 will even be a better one.